was an epic road trip. But I gotta say, it's good to be back home. Well, this looks great. You see this? Man, where's all this water coming from? It's inches, man. A foot max. Looks pretty gnarly down there. Let's get back on the freeway and hit the next exit. Look, that guy's going for it. We got this. Come on, let's go. Yes, let's go, go, go. Water's moving really fast, man. It's way high. Dude, this is not good. We're floating. There's water coming in, man. There's water coming into the car. It's not working. What about the sunroof? There's no power. We gotta get out of here. We gotta get out of here right now. Look, we need to get on top of the car like that guy. Dude, we're gonna hit! We're gonna hit! Dude, where'd he go? Do you see him? Did he make it? Nothing's working. I don't know what else to do. Hey, look, there's people on the bridge. Hey, somebody help us, please! Hey!